Hi guys, you're welcome once more to MEPH, your YouTube channel where we solve problems of maths. I'm your tutor, Mr. Opoki, and if you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Feel free to go through this channel. There are lots and lots of videos out there that you can learn from to improve your math skill. Okay, so today we have a problem on the board. I'm going to walk you through this problem, all right? So it's a problem on variation. The first thing I've been able to do is to identify what topic it falls under in maths, and it is on variation. Whenever you come across the word proportionality in maths, we are referring to what? The problem on variation. So how do we solve this problem? The first thing you want to do is you want to interpret the first line. So our solution, the first line says u is inversely proportional to the cube of what? V. So u, okay, the sign of proportionality is this, all right? So is this u is proportional, but in this case, inversely. So inversely, I'm going to say 1 over whenever I come across the word inverse. So proportional to the cube of b, so b cube. So this is our first step. So the next thing is you want to introduce a constant. So you say u is equals to, this changes to equals to, and you multiply the right hand side by a constant k, or a constant of the choice. So I have this multiply 1 over v cubed. So this is going to give us what? U is equals to what? We have k divided by what? V cubed. Now this equation is very, very important because we are going to make use of it to be able to find the value of u when v is 1. Right? But before we do that, we have to know the value of k, okay, and substitute it back to this equation. So what is the value of k? Okay, we are going to use this line to be able to get the value of k, all right, because the question says when u is 81, okay, we have that v is 2. So when u is 81, v is 2, so we can use that to get the value of k. Now let's do that. Now to get the value of k, I'm going to cross multiply this. So I have u over 1 is equals to what? K over v3. That's v cubed. So I'm going to use this to multiply this. So I have u times what? V cubed is equals 1 will multiply this. So I have 1 times what? K. So this is going to give us 1 times k is k. U times v cubed is u v cubed. Okay? You can always bring k, okay, the right hand side to the left and equate it to what? The left hand side. So now let's get the value of k using u as 81. So k is equals to 81. Remember the dot means multiplication times v cubed. So v cubed means, okay, I'm going to substitute v as 2. So 2 raised to the power of 3. All right, so let's see what that gives us. All right, so our value of 2 raised to the power of 3 means that we are going to say 2 raised to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. Alright? So our k is equals to 81 times 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 again is 8. So our k is equals, now 81 times 8, 8 times 1 is 8 here, and 8 times 8 is what? 64. Now that we've been able to get the value of k, we are going to substitute it into the law or the relationship connecting our what? V and u. Okay, so u is going to be equals to what? 648 divided by what? V cubed. So with this relationship, we can be able to now solve the problem and find u when v is equals to what? 3. So we are going to say u is equals to 648 divided. Now the value of v is given as 3. So we have 3 raised to the power of 3. So this will give us 648 divided. This means what? 3 times 3 times 3. And let's see what that gives us. Okay. So our 3 times 3 is going to give us what? Alright, so u is equals to 648 over 3 times 3 is what? 9 times 3 is what? 27. So all we need to do at this point, we have to decompose this to lowest or reduce it to lowest. So let's quickly do that. So 3 is going to go into 27. What are we going to get? 9. Now 3 into all this, let's see what we are going to get. 3 into 6 is 2 times, okay? 3 into 4 is 1 time, all right? So remainder 1. So that 1, we put it here is 18. So 3 into 18 is 6 times. So we can still further decompose. U is equals to 216 divided by 9, all right? So what can go 3? So 3 into this is going to give us 3, okay? Because 3 times 3 will give us 9. Now 3 into 216, 3 into 21 is 7, and 3 into 6 is what? 2. So 3 into 216 is 72. So finally, we now have what? 3 divide 72. And that will give us the value of u in this problem. So let's see what that gives us. 3 into 3 is 1, okay? So 3 into 7 is 2 times, okay? 6 remainder 1. So we have that 1 here, which is 12. So 3 into 12, okay, is going to give us 4. So the solution to this problem is u is equals to. Alright, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. You can hit the like button and share this video to somebody who may be of help. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.